guys, back with your boy Gump Jeezy. I got a real short and amazing video. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do to my truck next. I'm gonna try to keep it real short, real simple. So hey, y'all stick around for the little short video, and it's gonna be something pretty amazing I'm gonna do to my truck real quick. They're gonna change the appearance to it, and it's gonna make it look a hell of a lot better. Watch guys. Yes guys, this is what I did. I took my fan off and I took my fan clutch off, and over here I have a brand new fan clutch, but the surprise is I'm about to paint it. Gloss black. I'm gonna paint my fan gloss black. First I'm gonna clean it off and then I'm gonna paint it. Take that up out of there, move that out of the way. A little bit of water. Clean it up real good, real quick. Yep. Clean all that dirty stuff up there. Get real quick. Yep. I got a big surprise coming. I think that paint gonna stick this way up to it. I ain't gonna put no primer on that on now. I'm just gonna put that paint on now. It ain't gonna get too hot, it ain't gonna get too cool. I don't need a professional deal, I just need it clean and look good. That already look better. That already look better. Yep. Oh, I got it cleaned up. I got one side cleaned up. I got to do the other side now. Looking better already though. And then once I throw that paint on there, ooh. Yes. I got it cleaned up on both sides. It's looking totally spectacular. Oh, that thing been dirty so long. I got it all dried up. It been dirty so long. I ain't even know the original color was black. Man, the original color is black. But get what though, guys? I'm finna still spray paint it again. Man, that thing got really hot. Sheesh. Sheesh. Man, look at that thing right there. That one is really shining now. Look at that there. That motherfucker damn near look new, don't it? Man, that thing is. Woo. Let that thing dry for about 15 minutes or so, and I'll be back. Paint the back side. Sheesh. That damn thing's spraying the wrong way. Sheesh. I ain't gonna do it. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Yes, everything is looking wonderful, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I didn't even know that, the fan was actually black because it's been dirty for so long. But reason why I'm painting and I'm putting this new fan clutch on it is because I got a very, very special surprise for the channel. And it's gonna be big. It's gonna be major. It's gonna be major. But let me finish this project, and I'm gonna try to end this video as soon as possible. Thank y'all. I got one coat on now, and I'm gonna spray another coat. That thing gonna be extra crispy. Gotta get it. Go to it. So I get that thing get right. Cause the wind blowing. And then this one paint up. I ain't no professional painter, but I should be right. Cause this thing is looking totally simple. Yes. Yes, look at that. Ooh. Look at that. I ain't lying. It's open out, but it's open out. I got it flipped over to the other side, and I'm finna give it a second coat, and that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it. A second coat on the back side and the front side, and it gonna be looking. Look at it. It just look brand new, and it looks so good. Yes. So I got it painted up, got it looking all brand new, man. A little paint go a long way. A little bit of paint. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm finna stick it on the truck, and then I'm gonna give y'all an after view.
So guys, it went very good, and I got everything back together. I got the fan clutch on, I got everything painted, and now I'm finna show y'all what it looks like, and then I'm gonna end the video after that. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. So thank y'all for watching. Until next time. Yes, sir. A little paint go a long way. They got fingerprints all over it.